Hi guys, welcome back to Wink Your Eyes. I'm going to be doing a beautiful eye look for y'all today, kind of spring Easter inspired. I'm going to be using Wink Your Eyes Glitterati palette. It's a Runway palette. Started by using the foundation in the shade Ginger just to prime my eyes, and then I'm going to set it with a translucent powder. The first shade I'm going to take is from the Runway palette, and I'm going to start off with the shade right here. Next shade I'm going to take is going to be this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease and somewhat in my outer. Back in with that same brush that we had the transitional color on and blend out this color. Next, taking that same foundation, I'm just going to cut my crease. Easy way to do this is basically put the color on the lid, look up, and it should transfer over into almost the center. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, and next I'm going to take this shade right here and going on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to be taking our glitter glue, and I'm just going to apply it on the front part of the lid. Next, taking our silicone brush, I'm going to go into the Glitterati palette, and I'm going to dip into this glitter color right here. Going in with that last shade to blend in the glitter. Alright, and next I'll be applying my eyelash, my mink eyelash in the style Savage.